Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use OITS Create with AI application. So recently they launched this app, so just open the app. So make sure that this app is up to date and you have to create an account. So I'm just going to create with my account with Google. So you can see it's generating, just wait to get. It takes more time, so I need to pause this video. So here you can see the result, how it looks what. So you can regenerate this image and image and animation. You can give the prompt, you can character chat, you can chat. Okay, I'm just going to tap here. You can chat with. So there are a lot of models and characters here that you can chat, and creations, you can see your creation here, and also lovely AI. Then you can image